Well, guess what we're doing today? We're joining in with Life with Patty for Patty's Treasure Hunt. We do this once a month, and this week the treasure hunt is for a dress and a heart. Oh my gosh, Grandma's so excited about this. Patty does this once a month, and it's called Patty's Treasure Hunt. Please go check it out and maybe think about joining in once a month. The first book I'm going to be coloring in is this one here. This is one of my favorite books, and my best friend gave this one to me. I didn't buy it. I'm going to have to look around. I know it's an expensive book, but I'm going to see if I can find some more similar because I really love this book, and the paper is such good quality. It grabs the colors so well. And this is going to be the dress, and it's out of the book The Coloring Therapy Anti-Stress Coloring Book. Oh my gosh, this book is just fabulous. It is a 2-page spread, and isn't this dress fabulous? I just loved it. So much movement in color in it, and I don't know if you can tell or not that some of this is got some shimmer on it, and some of it's matte, but it's all turned out so beautiful. And you can see the glitter gel on the shoe and on the little trim right here, and a little bit here on the dress next to the matte. I loved how it turned out when I got done coloring it. It was just beautiful. Let me know what you thought about it. I thought all the colors worked really, really well together. And I loved all the movement in this 2-page spread also. You can feel her dancing, and her dress swinging up into the air. And this is my second page, came out of Super Cute World, and it was supposed to be a heart. This is one of my favorite coloring books, and I do like to try to color in this at least a couple times a month. I love the way her artwork is, and it's easy to color, and it gives me so much inspiration. There's so many wonderful things to color. They are pretty small, some of them, and it does take a couple days to do a page, but it's worth the time I put into it because they're beautiful. This was done with gel pen and alcohol markers, and I'm really happy with how the page turned out. Let me know what you think. And here is the heart, right in the center of the watering can. And I thought it turned out beautiful. I loved the colors that I picked, and I was so happy how everything turned out. Even my little bluebird turned out really good, and my butterfly. I was very happy with everything. Let me know what you thought. Could you see the heart was the center of this one also? Oh yeah, I do love it. And of course, I always love some beautiful florals also. I was very happy how everything turned out. Well, thank you so much, all of you, for stopping by. Thank you for all your love and support. We always love having you here. Don't forget, give me a like. Click that like button. And tell your friends about Grandma's channel if they like coloring. Please don't forget to click the like button. It really does help my channel, and it makes me feel that you appreciated and loved what I did. Please leave me a comment and let me know what you thought. It always helps that YouTube sees that I have a lot of interaction on my channel. Thank you all so much for stopping by, and sit down with your cup of tea and get ready for this this month's challenge with my awesome friend Pattie with Life with Pattie.